samahan niyo ang nanay ko maglakad. Akala ko gusto lang niya mag-exercise. Yun pala, gusto lang niyang matunawan sa kanayan niyang buffet. The joke. Pero seryoso, tara samahan niyo kami and let's find out kung bakit isa ang walking sa pinakamagandang habits na pwede nating gawin everyday. At alam niyo ba, ang walking uses around 200 muscles every time you take a step. Walking for just 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, can also lower your chances of getting sick. Plus, adding more steps to your daily routine can even reduce your risk of early death. And actually, marami pang benefits ang walking. Pero anyways, ayan, nag-enjoy na nanay ko. Gusto niya raw makita ang event program. Kaya ayan o, enjoy yarn! Walking can also help lower the risk of breast cancer and keep your knee and hip joints healthy, which may help prevent arthritis. Welcome sa Love Laban! Yes naman! At isa pang fun fact, walking can be just as effective as running when you burn the same amount of energy, especially in reducing the risk of heart disease and diabetes. So yeah, our mom asks us to go walking with her every day because it helps improve physical and mental well-being. Ay, kaya ayan o, na-distract na nanay ko sa mga nakikita niya. By the way, love your singing. And ayun, naglalakad na naman ulit siya. Mahigit 3 oras na kaming naglalakad kasi sa bawat hakbang niya, napapahinto kami dahil ang dami niyang napapansin. Oh, katulad niyan, may sumasayaw. Ay, akala ko may aso sa gilid. The joke lang, mama. Love you. So hayan, she loves the performance nila to the point na gusto niya makisali sa kanila. Mama, maglakad ka na doon. I want to go home. Sakit na ng paa ko. Ang sarap kaya maglakad kasi isa pa sa benefits nito is better sleep. Consistent daily walking helps you fall asleep faster and sleep better at night. Wait, I think mom's looking at something. I think I know. Aha! Ayan, na-distract sa shawarma. Mama, akala ko ba maglalakad tayo para i-promote ang benefits of walking? Bakit bumibili ka na ng shawarma? Maglakad ka na doon, mama. Okay, ayan, back to lakad na. So anyways, ay, ayan na, na-distract na naman si mama. Mama, tara na, lalamig na yung shawarma mo. Oh, ayan, naglakad na siya. Ay, nako, na-distract ulit siya. Oo na, mama. Alam kong magaganda sila at magagaling sumayaw. Tara na kung hindi. Kakainin ko na yung shawarma na binili mo. Ayan o, na-guilty na siya. Kasi dapat naglalakad lang kami. Panahinto kami. Hays. Pero anyways, thank you so much for watching Mama's Walking. Always remember, walking is medicine for your body and mind. Thank you guys!